Hi, Leonard here again from Len and the Art of Motorcycle Maintenance. We're back with specialised allez. The cassette has been fitted, a new cassette, and another fault that we noticed with the bike is that the chain is very rusty, quite a lot of links that are very tight and seized, and also the chain checking tool is in at 1% wear, so that is definitely well past the point it should be replaced. Another good indication, if you don't have the chain checking tool to hand, is to look at how much the chain moves on the chain wheels, and in this case on the rear cassette. The rear cassette is new, but there's still a fair amount of movement between the chain and the chain wheel, so that's not ideal. So we're going to replace that chain. In this case the chain is fitted with a master link, looks like this one, and the one that we're putting on, the new chain, is a KMC chain, and it also comes with the two-piece master link. So I think SRAM calls there's a power link. I'm not sure if KMC use the same terminology. So to split that, there is a tool for splitting that, a specific pair of pliers, but in this case, as I don't have the specific pliers to hand, a pair of circlip pliers in this case will do the trick, as long as they're set to the right configuration. Now before the chain comes off, I have counted it, in this case it's 106 links I think, but it's a good idea to just note the extension of the cage when the chain is in the largest chain wheel and largest chain wheel configuration. That is a good indication that the chain is the right length, and by the same token, if we shift to the smallest gears, smallest chain wheels, we should also be able to check that there's enough should be able to check that there's enough movement in the cage. Yeah, so the cage has got enough movement in it to take up that play. So when we go and put the new chain on, we want to make sure that it's similar, same length, and hopefully it will give us the right angles. So in this case, if we want to take that chain off, I'm going to find the master link and pop that apart.